Shut up, donkey. Shut up, donkey. In today's video, we are going to learn English with the movie Shrek. This is Shrek. Shrek is an ogre. He's an ogre. He's a big green ogre. Shrek lives alone. He lives alone, just Shrek, in a swamp. He lives in a swamp. He likes to live alone. He likes to live on his own. It makes him happy. But Lord Farquaad, the king with a crown, the king, sends all the fairy tale creatures to Shrek's swamp. Shrek is angry. Rah. Shrek is angry. Rah. Because he likes to live alone. So he's angry. Go away. Go away. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. This is my swamp. This is my swamp. Why have you sent all of these fairy tale creatures here? Why? Shrek is angry. So Shrek goes for a walk. But Shrek has made a new friend, Donkey. Shrek has made a new friend called Donkey. Donkey has a tail, hooves. He is grey. And he talks a lot. Donkey talks. He talks blah 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 a lot. This makes Shrek grumpy. Brah. Shut up, donkey. Shut up, donkey. Shrek and Donkey have to go and rescue Princess Fiona from a dragon. Because Princess Fiona is trapped in a tower. And if Shrek rescues her, if he comes to her and rescues her and takes her away, Lord Farquaad will get rid of all of the fairy tale creatures from his swamp, and Shrek will be happy again. So Shrek and Donkey go and rescue Princess Fiona from the dragon. From the winged dragon breathing fire Shrek, Donkey rescue Princess Fiona to take her back to Lord Farquaad so they can get married. on the journey back to Lord Farquaad, Shrek sees that Fiona turns into an ogre like Shrek. An ogre like Shrek does. Very strange. Shrek thinks, I think I like Fiona. I think I like Fiona because she is also an ogre. So when Fiona gets back to Lord Farquaad and they are about to get married, Lord Farquaad and Fiona are about to get married. She has her dress on, and Lord Farquaad is very small. Shrek comes and says, no, I want to marry, I want to marry Fiona. I want to marry Fiona. Lord Farquaad is not happy. He is not happy. He is angry. But Shrek defeats him. He defeats him. So then Shrek says to Fiona, he says, will you marry me? Will you marry me? And they kiss. Mwah. They kiss. Mwah. And then Fiona turns into an ogre forever. And they get married because they are in love. They are in love. Fiona says, yes, I will marry you, Shrek. And they get married. They get married because they're in love. And everyone, the dragon, Fiona, Shrek, Donkey, Pinocchio, all of the fairy tale creatures, live in the swamp, in Shrek's swamp forever, because Shrek is now happy because he's married to Fiona, and they all live happily ever after. I will see you in the next video. Peace. Bye. If you want to watch another movie to learn English, click here next to watch another one. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Mwah. Peace. Have a great day.